A dream vacation turned into a nightmare. A man disappears overboard on a luxury cruise, and the mystery remains unsolved. Stay with us to uncover the chilling details behind this tragic incident and why cruise ship accidents are shockingly common. Imagine sailing through crystal clear waters, enjoying the vacation of a lifetime, only for disaster to strike. On December 26, during a Norwegian cruise line voyage from Jamaica to the Bahamas, a 51-year-old man went overboard. What really happened? And why are overboard incidents rising? Let's dive into this story, and you won't believe what we uncovered. 1. The incident. At 3 p.m., the unnamed man fell overboard while aboard the Norwegian Epic, a renowned cruise ship. Immediate action followed. Search and rescue teams, flares, and even assistance from another nearby ship, Holland America Lines, zooted up. Unfortunately, the search was abandoned as daylight faded, leaving unanswered questions about his fate. 2. Family and passengers. The man was traveling with a large group, including family. Cruise officials ensured emotional support for them during this harrowing experience. Passengers on board were informed about the incident, including details like the man's last known appearance, a blue shirt. 3. Rising concerns. Did you know? On average, 19 people go overboard from cruise ships each year, yet only 4 are rescued. In 2024 alone, there have already been 19 overboard incidents with just 2 survivors. What's causing these tragedies? From accidents to intentional acts, the reasons vary, but safety protocols remain a heated topic in the cruise industry. Other recent tragedies: December 21st, a woman fell from the Sky Princess while attempting to jump into the water, tragically landing on a deck below. December 17th, a code Oscar was declared on Royal Caribbean's Vision of the Seas, signaling another overboard situation. December 2nd, a male passenger went missing on the Ruby Princess as it approached San Francisco. But here's the question that no one's answering. Why are these incidents so frequent? And could cruise lines do more to prevent them? Stick around, because we're revealing the hidden risks of cruising and the shocking stats that might make you think twice before your next vacation. Cruise ships offer unforgettable experiences, but safety concerns like these cast a shadow over the luxury. What do you think? Are cruise lines doing enough to protect their passengers? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video eye-opening, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stories that dive deeper than the surface. See you next time.